CBR program, we have to see how we can sensitize the government people to include even the needs of persons with disabilities as a right, and they are the duty bearers who have to ensure that rights to be given.
So this is the first multi-sectoral committee of all departments meeting in India for the first time. And the multi-sectoral committee, what all is supposed to do? Promote inclusive health, promote inclusive education, give opportunities for disabled people for credit, improve sanitation and housing, water and sanitation.
We already have a very well written law in 95 for persons with disabilities, which clearly says that in all the developmental programs there should be a 3% reservation per person with disabilities, okay, including budget and all those things. But if you really see, many people are not aware what actually has to be done for people with disability as a law. So we need to educate them and frequently keep in touch with them and do the follow. We did a lot of sensitization programs for the panchayat leaders, since they are all elected members from the village. So we did a lot of sensitization for them to understand the issues of persons with disabilities and also to understand the laws. And these people are responsible to see that whatever the rights is there and whatever the people with disability who are supposed to exercise those rights, they have to become the bridge between those two things.
So whatever you are doing, the request is include disabled people in what you are doing. And in order to do that, the disabled people's organizations will meet these committees at this mandal level, which means you don't have to be answering to many people. You are answering only to disabled people's representatives who are part of this committee. This committee cannot exist without them. They are part and parcel of it.
Initially they were trying to say that we don't know how, for what we to use the money, the budget. So we need to have some guidelines to really make it useful purpose. So this CBR matrix, the guide, what we normally use for CBR program, we actually educated them to even follow the same thing because it covers all the 4 major development sector of a human being. So they can easily support those programs.
CBR guidelines matrix ఉంది కదా, ఈ matrix మీ దగ్గర ఉంది. ఆ బుక్ అనేది చాలా పెద్ద బుక్, ఇంత పెద్ద బుక్ చూస్తేనే భయం అవుతుంది చదవడానికి. అన్నప్పుడు CBR matrix, CBR guidelines ఉపయోగం ఎవరు చేయాలా? గవర్నమెంట్ ఉండేవాడు అధికారులు చేయాలి. తర్వాత మన NGO రిప్రజెంటేటివ్, తర్వాత వికలాంగుల సంస్థలు వాళ్ళు వాడాలా. అందరికీ ట్రైనింగ్ పెట్టడం అనేది కష్టం కదా. అన్నప్పుడు ఒక ఆన్లైన్ ట్రైనింగ్ పెట్టేస్తాయి, వెబ్సైట్ పెట్టి ఆన్లైన్ ట్రైనింగ్ పెట్టేస్తే ప్రపంచంలో ఎవరైనా చూడొచ్చు కదా.
So in a CBR program, it is very important to see that how you involve the government from the day one.